Hello, children. Today I have come with another picture so that you can do more practice on picture composition. I'm damn sure that you are liking the picture already, isn't it? Oh, yes, because this picture belongs to a birthday party, and I know all children are very excited for the birthday parties, isn't it? I am very well aware of the fact that you children are missing these birthday parties these days, isn't it? But don't worry. Let's enjoy this picture. Let's enjoy doing this picture, okay? You have to see the picture carefully, okay? Observe it. What all you can see in the picture: balloons, children, gifts, cake, candles, birthday caps, parents, friends. Okay, so here is the help box. Birthday party, decorated, balloons, candles, cake, children. Okay, so now you know what you all have to do. Okay, let's start creating the sentences then. Number one, I have already told you that whenever we do picture composition, you must explain the about the scene. Okay, like this scene belongs to what? For example, here you can see this is the scene of a birthday party. Your first sentence should be telling about the picture, that what is the picture all about. So here you can write that this is the scene. You need to remember the spelling of scene, S-C-E-N-E. S-C-E-N-E, scene. This is the scene of a birthday party. Now you can catch the spellings of birthday party from the help box given over here, right? So this is the scene of a birthday party. Number 2. The room is decorated. The room is decorated with balloons. The room is decorated with balloons. Now, why have I used is here and not are? Because the room is singular. Room is singular, so for singular we always use is. Okay, don't forget it. The room is decorated with balloons. You can see the spelling of decorated and balloons from the help box given here. Rest, there are candles on the cake. Okay, number 3 you can write there are. Now why I am using are here? Because we are going to talk about candles, and candles are more than one, which means plural, so we will use are. Okay, always keep this thing in your mind, whether you have to use is or are, because now candles are more plural, we will use are here. There are candles on the cake. Again, you can see the spelling of candles from here, right? What else you can make? There are 3 gifts on the table. There are 3 gifts on the table. Okay? The children are enjoying the birthday party. The children are enjoying the birthday party. What other sentence you can make? 2 children are wearing birthday caps. Okay. 2 children are wearing birthday caps. Okay, so again we have framed 6 sentences. You can frame other sentences that a boy is holding a bunch of balloons, father and mother are standing behind. Okay, children are happy, right? So they are excited, the cake looks yummy. Okay, so this way you can create a number of sentences. So for today you have to note down these sentences in your notebook and do practice. I tell you one more thing. To do more practice on picture composition, what you can do, you wherever you go, you just look around and start framing the sentences. For example, if you are sitting in your room, just look around yourself, whatever you see, like the curtains are of blue color, there is a big fan in my room, there is an air conditioner in my room, there are toys in my room. Okay, I have 4 teddy bears to play. So try to frame the sentences whatever you look at. Okay, this will give you the habit of framing the sentences, and it will help you to do your picture composition as well. Okay, kids, so for today you have to do this picture in your picture composition in your notebook. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.